In this video, I'll be showing you how to change time zone on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, changing your Android phone's time zone is the best way to correct your device's calendar sync, timestamp trails, and system alarms when traveling across global borders. So what you want to do is open up your settings application, scroll down the menu tree until you find general management, which is going to be towards the bottom. From here, go ahead and click on date and time. And then what you want to go ahead and do is once you're in it, you can turn off automatic date and time, or you can keep that on and turn off automatic time zone. Then from here, you can choose your region and change it to anything you want. And then you're going to be able to change the time zone as well. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Of course, if you want to use a 24-hour format, you can also change that here as well if you want to. But yeah, you can keep automatic date and time on and then just change your time zone if you want to, or you can turn both off and then change the time zone right there as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out other tutorials on the channel as well.